Stop right there. If you're a creator and don't have a plan for your videos, this video is going to save you hours and hours of time and overwhelm. This video is going to demystify the video making process for you easily, giving you a structure so that you can follow and make content easily and effortlessly. So stay tuned. My name is Rachel Dunn from Girl Directed TV, and this channel is designed to help you see the world differently using video and create content to change the world. Remember to share this video if you know someone sitting behind their desk right now in video overwhelm. Hang in there, help is on the way. So this is where it all begins. I mean, imagine creating a cake. A perfect complicated cake without a recipe. This is exactly the same when it comes to making great videos. I'm going to give you the recipe for the perfect video that you can keep making over and over and be as creative, add some sultanas and your creative spice, but follow these ingredients and you can't go wrong. Depending on what kind of videos you're making is how detailed the process will be. Marketing videos are very different to high-end TV ads or documentaries. So I'll be going through the basic process that if you are a business owner and want to understand the video making process from scratch. First thing, set your intention. Is it a marketing video? Is it a video that you want to have go viral? Is it a video for YouTube? Is it a video for a documentary? Just like anything in the world, if you don't have a goal or an intention for your video, it'll just go out there. Hey, you can experiment and try things, but have an intention. That's the very first step. So number two, what platform are you going to be showing your video on? Maybe it's cinema, television, online, phone, computer. It really is really important that you start to know where your content's going to be shown. We have clients that we teach that do cinema ads. We have another client doing television ads with their phone. And we have lots and lots of clients that are creating video content for online. So you really want to know exactly what kinds of formats that you're going to use. If there are areas that you want to be on, make sure you go in and have a look at the preferences or the guidelines that each place has to give you the specs. But normally, if you're doing online content or you're doing anything for YouTube or Facebook, it's pretty easy. It's pretty standard, and you want to create videos that are either vertical or horizontal. 1920 by 1080 is what we use for all of our normal videos. This video that you see right now, that can be seen on anything. It's not for cinema, it's not for TV, but we could actually play it on television too. Now, if you're creating a documentary or a television ad or something like that, this is an area where you would write more of an outline of your idea. An outline is just a really simple half page of your idea in a story format. And if you go a little bit further than that, a treatment is actually an expansion of the outline. So a treatment means that it's probably a 1 to 2 pages of exactly your idea. It's very short, it's a couple of pages, attention grabbing, gets into what it's about, who your audience is for, all those important things that if somebody's making a decision on whether you're a fit for their funding or for choosing your show, then that's a really important document to do. So number 4 is a script. If you are a business owner, this is where you want to start. You don't have to worry about treatments or outlines or all that stuff. Just start with your script and start writing out your content so that you can utilize it in blogs. You can utilize it for your auto cue, which is where you, like I am right now, reading my script. So it's really important, a script. It will save you lots of time, and it will also give you lots of other content within that script that you can use for other things as well. Number 5 is your mood board or your storyboard. So you'd create a mood board of all of your favorite looks and styles of videos that you really like, and a storyboard takes your script and makes it into stories. So for example, a music video storyboard that I would do, I would write out my idea. Once I got the okay from the music or video company or record company, I would actually then storyboard the whole thing. So it meant that the record company could see what I was thinking, what my vision would be. It actually meant that they could see inside my mind without any surprises on the other side. It just meant that people could see what I was creating before I actually created it. So your imagination here is really, really important. For business owners, unless you're doing an ad or something like that, don't waste your time with storyboard. What I would do though as a business owner is do your shot list, number 6. A shot list is where you take all of the shots that you've come up with that are going to help tell your story from your script. And then once you have got your script, you can then think about what stories or shots are going to suit. So shot lists are good to be able to create what we call B-roll to assist you in telling your story, so it's not just you speaking all the time. With a lot of clients, what we do, if they're traveling, we come up with a whole list of shots together. So then they go away, they go on holiday, and they actually film that bunch of shots. It means that when they go into the edit suite and film or edit their videos, they've actually already got a whole bunch of shots that they have planned already. The amount of people that say, yeah, I'm gonna do that, they go away and they have the best intentions to film, but guess what? They don't get anything done because they haven't planned their shot list. Number 7, film your content. So that's where you dive in front of the camera like I am right now and film a whole bunch of videos. So film your content. Pretty easy, that one. I tend to either choose my music early on in the process or I'll choose it here. If I'm uninspired, I will often just go right ahead and choose my music first because the music drives me. If I'm really inspired by music, then I'll be inspired to make the video. So number 9 is editing, taking everything that you just have, your story shots, your music and everything, your branding elements, and you go and edit it. Okay, and that's when either you edit it or you outsource to an editor and they build on their timeline a picture of your story. Number 10, motion design. Once the editing is all done and it looks beautiful, that's when the editor can actually add motion design elements. One of the biggest mistakes I used to do is I would get really excited and add motion design elements while I was editing. But that meant if there was any changes to any of the editing or if I wasn't happy with something, it would take me a lot longer to change them because I would be adding these effects into the vision. So that's really important for you to know that this is the process that you want to follow. Editing, then motion design. Now finally, we've got number 11, which is exporting and then conversions and uploading. So the final process, once you're happy with your video and you've got your motion design and graphics on there, it's about exporting it so that it's a master big file and then you convert it. So that means that using some kind of conversion program to make sure that the video is small and it's compressed so that it is the best for your viewers' experience. And then you upload it. So that's the video making process. I hope that you've learnt a thing or two and it makes the process easy for you to follow. Hey, and remember, video is a skill. Like anything new, it takes time to learn. So don't be hard on yourself. But if you want to get there sooner, having a mentor and a coach is the best investment that you can make on yourself. It fast tracks you and you will grow your business and confidence so much quicker and taking months instead of years. The amount of people that we meet that spend years learning what we can teach you in a short couple of months is amazing. So growing your brand and business is the most important thing for you to focus on so that you can do all the other things that you're wanting to do. So if you like this video and want to be notified every time we release amazing videos like this, then remember to hit subscribe and click that little bell. And if there is something that you really want to hear about, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time. It's Rachel from Girl Director.